everybody, I'm out here in the garage with the update on the AMT 40 Sedan Delivery Pro Street. I got a little bit of work done on it, but first let me, I got a new shop card in here. Let's look at this here. This is from Todd over at Lug Nuts Hot Rod Garage. This is his new card. Man, it looks so cool. I just love those AD trucks on there, because you all know I'm into the trucks. And he's got that 41 Willys gasser there, and it looks like a 29 Roadster. That's just a cool looking card. Todd, I appreciate you sending me that new card of yours, man. I really dig them, man. That's going in the collection. And I just posted a video of the cruise-in we went to last night over at our local Harvey's here in town. They have the Road Nights Club has a cruise-in once a month there, so there's the dash plaque I got. I really like the dash plaques. I like the dash plaques and the shop cards. I really dig them. I collect them. So that looks pretty cool. Alright, on to the 40 delivery here. Boy, I tell you what, this has been a rough kit. This thing is in rough shape. Nothing wants to fit right. I've got it this far. I found that bug catcher in the... Boy, I had to look hard. I finally found one, because the one they give you in the kit, it's not worth a hoot. So, but I found that one, and it looks like it works out pretty good. It goes through the hole in the hood. I've still got to do some work on that hood to get it fit a little bit better. But I think I got the stance looking pretty good. What y'all think? I think it's looking pretty killer. I took my little bitty Sharpie black pen and kind of blacked out those holes in the wheels there. I think that it kind of offset all that silver that was in there. I think that came out pretty cool. I glued the back door in. If you guys can see, look at the gap around this. By the time I cleaned up all that flash, and that flash on the door was really, it was so heavy that I had to really sand to get the flash off of the door, and boy, it just leaves a big gap. So I glued that in there because I'm not planning on opening it, so I'm hoping it'll look okay. Let me pull the hood off here. You can kind of see I got the engine wired, looking pretty good. The engine's sitting in there pretty good. I got the body fitting on the fenders and everything pretty good, I think. When I stick that hood on, you have to kind of squeeze it together and pop it on there, but then it kind of pokes that up a little bit. I had that same issue on the 40 coupe that I built. Alright, let me pull the body off here. We'll take a look at what I've got down here. I still need making a little bit of an extension on that drive shaft there to hit the tranny. And let me take this off. And this is what I've done so far. I painted the excuse me, chassis just a flat black. I had to hog out the chassis there to get those big old meats to fit back there, just like I had to hog out everything underneath here to get everything to work right. I think it came out pretty good though. Let me pull the engine off of here, and I'll show you. I still got some work to do up underneath the bottom here. I don't know if it's going to let me focus. You see the blocks underneath the axle housing? I had to put those in there to get my ride height where I wanted it. And now I've got these shocks made up. I've got the wire wrapped around them, and they're a little tall, but I think they're going to work. I'm going to see if I can't shove them down in back here, but then I'm going to need some kind of towers to glue onto the axle housing, and I haven't figured that out yet. So, but that's what I've got on the bottom. I was going to try and cut that old muffler and pipe out there, but I thought I'd probably make more of a mess than anything, so I just left it. It looks okay for me. Other than that, fellas, that's I mean, I'm coming along on her. It's looking pretty good. like I said, I got the the wheels are tucked up underneath those fenders pretty nice, and it's got the, I think that black piece there is giving a false look at the car, the stance. Let me get that out of there. Alright, sorry for the shaking there, fellas. Now, let me put the body back on it, and we can kind of see it's got a little bit of a rake to it. I like it. Got a little bit of that California rake to it. I think it just makes it look really pretty cool. I think it's coming out really nice. Big old meats into the back. Yeah, it's looking pretty cool. Alright, fellas, I just want to give a quick update on where I'm at on this thing. I am still working on it. Man, it's hot today. It's supposed to hit 105 on the heat index today, so we're back into closing in on the heat wave again here. So I'm going to wrap this up, and I'm heading into the AC. Alright, fellas, I'm done.